Alright, we're gonna try this little slap shift out right quick. Make sure we all stop. Alright, just put it in. Gear. And first. And then you can pull it back to switch gears. Oh, there's some takeoff, man. Yeah. Super smooth. Taking up the 5th gear. We're gonna cruise it out. Just gonna slap it right back in automatic. Boom. Just like that. It handles extremely well. You can tell by the big smile on my face.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet.
All right, cut recording.